Hi, my name's Debbie and I'm from Hull in East Yorkshire. Incidentally, this year's UK City of Culture 2017. My most favourite things to do in life are to travel to new and wonderful places and professional photography. But this is no ordinary photography. In fact, I'm a Google trusted photographer. So 18 months ago, I started a new project called Eat Stay 360, which means I travel to the most beautiful boutique hotels in the world and take 360 virtual tour photography for them. I also write a blog review. I also work as a consultant, offering social media and marketing advice to their luxury venues. I feel I would be the ideal candidate for this role, as I can travel extensively and independently, also arranging all my own logistics. I also communicate very well with people from all different cultures. So, I really know how to spread the word. Thank you for watching and bye for now.